Yeah. Keep having glimpses. It's like I gotta step in what's mine. Yeah. I'ma get the campaign in motion. Been a while since I took an airplane with coaches. Square plated brush come with some champagne mimosas. Talking more profit, $300 Coke bottles for this dork model, plus the flow proper. While surrounded by these gold bottles, when the world's spinning in your index like a globetrotter. Phone pauses, diamonds glisten like cold water. Brought more honor to my oldest forefather. In my life a movie, bitches wanna be a co-author. More dollars, more money, more problems. Half circle driveway passing under 4 columns. Couldn't imagine me chillin' with no dollars, but I stay lifted. Drop fake scribbles and it paint pictures. Day one niggas eating good like it's Thanksgiving. Paper in the safe, untraceable to the state senate. I'm Heath Ledger, how I'm laughing to the bank, nigga. Slight smile, everything is just so funny with you. I got mad love, but I cannot get no money with you. Posting mad drugs with your money, get you undies waiting outside. Tactical column in a buddy system. Lot of gas and body bags out when they come and get you. Make a decision, happiness isn't a money issue. Meant from penny pinching to 7 figures in 7 minutes. Trust me, that's my baby by the water and them Fendi slippers. In this bitch, it don't get no better. Went from dirty shoes, early ballin', Magic 32. So been this 6 since the flip phone era. And they can't figure how I'm living whatsoever. See me the money deposit today. A bad deed with good intent make a lot of them pray. My brother got some money, kinda just got in his ways. They ate a meal today, but still got a lot on my plate. One time for the underground. Niggas losing money, don't know how they move their money round. Wow. Absolved, that's all. Pep talk for y'all. Guitars, a boss. Rick Ross, you lost, my nigga. Off ain't Gilligan. Gucci buckle, Louis mask, jacket, amphibian. Know a nigga made it when the family on the states and the crib so big, it's just missing amphibian. The gang so militant. I'm a king.